ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि दोषं शिरसा गुरुन्तं समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। ओम नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा निवृत्ति उदारा सोपान देवा मुक्ताबाई नमो त्रिभुवन पावनी आद्यत्रय जननी देवांची। हू इज स्थितप्रज्ञ, how he leads his life, where he is rooted, how he talks, how he walks, everything Arjuna asked. In the reply of that question, Bhagwan started giving different indicators. One who has renounced all the desires from his heart, he is Sthita Prajna. One who controls his sense organ, he is Sthita Prajna. One who controls his mind, he is Sthita Prajna. And then Bhagwan told ladder of fall. If you remember objects, if you think about objects, you will have attachment. If you have attachment, you will desire them. Desire is there, there will be anger. Anger will lead to uh, wrong thinking. Wrong thinking, you won't be able to take right decision. Right decision, wrong decision will lead you to destruction. And then Bhagavan said, sometimes the sense organs are really turbulent. They won't allow mind to work properly. Sometimes mind is uh, very in different mood. Mind will not allow to work sense organ properly. So it is mutually going on. Now Bhagavan said all the sense organs, sense objects, they are really not good for us. So now another shloka Bhagavan says, you can enjoy sense objects by giving up raga dvesha. So you have to give up likes and dislikes, and then if you enjoy object, then they won't harm. रागद्वेषवियुक्तैस्तु विषयानिन्द्रियैश्चरन् आत्मवश्यैर्विधेयात्मा प्रसादमधिगच्छति। रागद्वेषवियुक्तैस्तु विषयानिन्द्रियैश्चरन् आत्मवश्यैर्विधेयात्मा प्रसादमधिगच्छति। भगवान says राग द्वेष विमुक्तैः तु विषयान् इंद्रियैः चरन् आत्मवश्यैः विधेय आत्मा प्रसादम अधिगच्छति. Beautiful shloka. You see now Anvaya. विधेयात्मा तु राग द्वेष विमुक्तैः आत्मवश्यैः इंद्रियैः विषयान् चरन् prasadam adhigacchati. This is something different Bhagavan told. Bhagavan said, one who is free from raga dvesha vimuktaihi, one who is free from likes and dislikes, he, the one who has atma vashaihi indriyaihi. So all the sense organs are in control. So likes, dislike free person, self sense organ controlled person, Vishayan Charan, he can enjoy all the sense objects and he won't be sad. You see the contradiction. If you are having likes and dislikes, you enter into the world of object, then just by remembering them, you will destroy himself. But if you have control over sense organs, if your likes and dislikes, if you are free from likes and dislikes, then that person, Vidheyatma, man of discipline, Vidheyatma, one who has discipline, that person, Prasadam Adhigachati, he will be enjoying sense objects also. Wonderful, isn't it a wonderful thing? For few people, just remembering or thinking about objects will lead to destruction. For few people, they will enjoy the objects, they won't be hurt or attached. They will be happy. They will be very happy. मनोनी विषय हे आगवे सर्वथा मनोनी सांडावे मग राग द्वेष स्वभावे नाशतील मनोनी विषय हे आगवे सर्वथा मनोनी सांडावे मग राग द्वेष स्वभावे नाशतील मनोनी therefore विषय all the objects agvi not one all the objects sarvatha once and for all manoni sandave from mind you should renounce them you should give up all the objects from your mind and then mag raga dvesha swabhave nashatil mag then raga dvesha likes and dislikes swabhave easily naturally nashatil they will perish. So if you give sense objects from your mind, then likes and dislikes will go away. How to give objects from our mind? You don't think about it. Or even though you think, you don't get attached with them. Don't have idea that they will give happiness or they give happiness. This idea you don't have, then enjoy whatever you want. पार्था अनेकही एक जरी नाशेल राग द्वेष तरी इंद्रियाविषयी बाधक रमता नाही पार्था अनेकही एक जरी नाशेल राग द्वेष तरी इंद्रियाविषयी बाधक रमता नाही Now Bhagavan says, O Partha, O Arjuna, अनेकही एक one more. What is first thing? You give up all the objects from your mind, likes and dislikes will go away. अनेकही एक, one more thing. जरी नाशेल राग द्वेष. Once the likes and dislikes are minimized up to great extent, तरी इंद्रिया विषयी बाधक रमता नाही. तरी विषयी रमता. तरी विषयी रमता इंद्रिया बाधक नाही. Then you are enjoying into the all the sense objects. Still badhak nahi ramata. You enjoy sense objects, but you are not, you know, troubled by them. There won't be harm if you enjoy sense object with no likes and dislikes. जरी नाशेल राग द्वेष तरी इंद्रिया विषय बाधक रमत नाही. Example is given. जैसा सूर्य आकाश गतु रश्मी करी जगाते स्पर्शतु तरी संग दोषे काय लिंपतु तेथीचेनी. जैसा सूर्य आकाश गतु रश्मी करी जगाते स्पर्शतु तरी संग दोषे काय लिंपतु तेथीचेनी. Jaisa, just like Akasha Gatu Surya, just like the sun, who is going in the sky or the space. Rashmi Kari Jagate Sparshatu Jagate to this world. Rashmi Kari by hands of the rays. Rashmi, the rays. Kari, hands. Jagate Sparshatu, it touches the milk. The sunlight comes on this earth and it touches the earth, the world. तरी संग दोषे काय लिंपतु तेथीचेनी. So when sun rays they come on earth, they touch this entire world. Are they adulterated or are they contaminated by the world? No. Though there is contact between sun rays and world, but sun rays are not contaminated by this world. Same way, when a jnani person without likes and dislikes he enter into the world, nothing happens to him. He is also detached. Jaisa Surya Akashagatu Rashmi Kare Jagate Sparshu Tari Sanga Doshe Kaya Limpatu Tekechin. So he is not contaminated. The rays are not contaminated by world. Same way, this Jnani Mahatma is not contaminated by, attached by this world. तैसा इंद्रियार्थी उदासीन आत्मरसेची निर्भिन्न जो काम क्रोध विहीन हो असे. तैसा इंद्रियार्थी उदासीन आत्मरसेची निर्भिन्न जो काम क्रोध विहीन हो असे. तैसा, like that, just like sun rays are not contaminated by the world, taisa, like that. Indriyarthi udasina, indriya, senses. Artha, objects. Indriyarthi, in sense objects. Udasina, is indifferent. If object comes, we will enjoy. If object doesn't come, we will like udasina. And where he is enjoying the life. Atmarasechi nirbhinna, Atmarasechi, in Atmarasa, in one's own self, nirbhinna, bhinna means separate. Nirbhinna, which is not separate. So he is one with the self. And how he is? So kama krodha vihina, he is free from kama, desire, problematic desire. Krodha, anger, he is devoid of kama and krodha. Oh, ase. So he is indifferent towards sense objects. He is happy within himself and he has no desire and anger. He is complete within such person. Tari Vishayat. Now, why he won't be disturbed by getting into objects, by getting into world? Because he sees himself in this world. He sees himself in the object. Means we are not two, we are one only. Like that. For example, ice cream. When I see ice cream, I am different from ice cream and ice cream is different. So when he see the ice cream, the joy, the chaitanya which is there, same chaitanya is here. The ananda which is here, same is going there in ice cream. So when he entered into in this world, तरी विषयांतु ही काही आपण ते वाचोनी नाही मग विषय कवण काही बाधतील कवणा. तरी विषयांतु ही काही आपण ते वाचोनी नाही मग विषय कवण काही बाधतील कवणा. तरी विषयांतु ही काही, इन सेन्स ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑल्सो, आपण पे वाचोनी नाही. He sees nothing other than himself. He sees Chaitanya in those objects also. Just like he sees himself as a Chaitanya, consciousness, in the same way, in objects also he sees consciousness. Maga Vishaya Kavana Kai Badatil Kavana, then Vishaya, Maga, then Vishaya, sense object, Kavana, to whom? Kavana, Kavana, Badatil Kai. Then sense objects, how they will disturb a person? Kai, when they will disturb a person? So they can't disturb him because he sees himself in all the objects. Now Nareshwar Maharaj says, when he will be bothered by objects, if this condition, if this happens, then a person who is free from Raga Dvesha, one who has control over sense organ, he will be disturbed by objects. One second, Hari. A person who is free from Raga Dvesha, likes and dislikes, he will be bothered by this world if this happens. Now Mauli says, what is the condition? Dari udake udaki budije, अग्न आगी पोळीजे तरी विषय संगे आपलविजे परिपूर्ण तो जरी उदकी उदके उदक बुडीजे अग्नी आगी पोळीजे तरी विषय संगे आपलविजे परिपूर्ण तो. Now, if water drowns water, udake by water, udaki budite. So water drowns in water. Agni agi porije, if fire burns fire. Then paripurna, a person who is complete within, one who has experienced his infinitude, that person will be disturbed by the objects. So this is never going to happen. Water will not drown water. Fire will not burn fire. So this is not going to happen. So when this complete person, disciplined person is going to disturbed by objects, never. He won't be. He will not be affected by any other thing. विषय संगे आपला विजय परिपूर्ण तो. It will not. ऐसा आपणची केवळ होवोनी असे निखळ तयाची प्रज्ञा अचल विभ्रांत मानी. ऐसा आपणची केवळ होवोनी असे निखळ तयाची प्रज्ञा अचल निभ्रांत मानी. ऐसा, like that, means he has become one with everything. He sees one Chaitanya everywhere. He sees himself in everything. That person, aisa apanachi keval, I am alone there. Beneath of all names and forms, I am there. Aisa apanachi keval, hovoni ase nikhal. Definitely, with full surety, with full understanding, we understand that I am one, alone in all the things. One is there in all other things, in everything. Tayachi pradnya achala nibrantmani. You understand? His intellect is stable, balanced. Tayachi pradnya, tayachi, his pradnya, intelligence. Achala, balance. Nibrantamani, you believe that. There should not be any doubt in this person who sees himself in everything and everything. That person's intellect will be Nibranta, will be definitely there. No, he gets joy. Prasad. No, same sloka is continuing. Prasade sarva dukkhanam हानिरस्योपजायते प्रसन्नचेतसो शाशु बुद्धिः पर्यवतिष्ठते प्रसादे सर्वदुःखानां हानिरस्योपजायते प्रसन्नचेतसो शाशु बुद्धिः पर्यवतिष्ठते प्रसादे सर्वदुःखानां हानिः अस्य उपजायते प्रसन्न चेतसः हि आशु बुद्धिः पर्यवतिष्ठते. प्रसादे अस्य सर्व दुःखानां हानिः उपजायते. Prasade, when once he enters into this world without sin, without likes and dislikes, without attachment, he enjoys the world most and he gets the happiness. So once he gets the happiness, prasannata, then Sarva dukkhanam hani. All the sorrows which are there in our life disappear. And one who is happy, one who is happy mind person, happy minded person, buddhi ashu paryavatishtate. His intelligence will definitely be happy. Means one who is happy within, his intelligence will be steady, balanced, established in Paramatma. So first, you should be free from likes and dislikes. Then you enter into this world. Then you will get more joy because you don't have likes and dislikes. Still, you will enjoy the objects. And once happiness is there, the sorrow in life will disappear. And the who has happy mind, those people will be rooted, established in Atma Tattva. Beautiful words. देखे अखंडित प्रसन्नता आथी जेथ चित्ता तेथ रिगणे नाही समस्ता संसार दुःखा देखे अखंडित प्रसन्नता आथी जेथ चित्ता तेथ रिगणे नाही समस्ता संसार दुःखा देखे अखंडित सी अखंडित प्रसन्नता always happy in mind अखंडित आथी जेथ चित्ता जेथ अखंडित प्रसन्नता आती तेथ समस्ता संसार दुःखा रिगणे नाही. This is the अन्वय of this word. So wherever there is joy, bliss, peace in mind, there the entire world of sorrow won't enter. Rigane nahi will not enter. To samsara dukkha, where akhandita prasannata, where there is peace in mind, joy in mind. How? Example, beautiful example. Jaya, Jaisa, Amrutacha, Nirjaru, प्रसवे जयाचा जठरू तया क्षुधे तृषेचा अडदरू कहीची नाही जैसा अमृताचा निर्झरू प्रसवे जयाचा जठरू तया क्षुधे तृषेचा अडदरू कहीच नाही. Just like in someone's stomach, there is fountain of nectar. Jataru in stomach. Amrutata nirjaru prasave. So in someone's stomach, there is fountain of nectar. Amrit is there inside the belly. Taya sudhe trusheta addaru kahichina. Will he have problems of thirst and hunger? Will he be troubled by hunger and thirst? No, because inside Amrita is there. They say if you just see Amrita, you will never die. That much power Amrita. If someone's stomach can generate nectar, will he be troubled by hunger and thirst? No. Same way, one who is happy within will sorrow trouble him. तैसे हृदय प्रसन्न होये तरी दुःख कैचे के आहे तेथ अपैसी बुद्धी राहे परमात्म रूपी. तैसे हृदय प्रसन्न होये तरी दुःख कैचे आहे तेथ अपैसी बुद्धी राहे परमात्म रूपी. तैसे like that हृदय प्रसन्न होये, your mind, your heart is happy, you are happy within, thoughts are stable. तरी दुःख कैचे आहे, then when it is solved. तेथ अपैसे बुद्धि राहे परमात्मा. Tetha means where you have achieved this state, you are happy within, then there are no sorrows. When there are no sorrows, apaisi easily, effortlessly, buddhi rahe paramatma rupi, your intellect, your thoughts, your decisions will be there in Paramatma. Example, Jaisa Nirvatita Dipu Sarvatha Nene Kampu तैसा स्थिर बुद्धि स्वस्वरूपो योग युक्तो जैसा निर्वातिता दिपु सर्वथा नेने कंपु तैसा स्थिर बुद्धि स्वस्वरूपो योग युक्तो जैसा just like dipu, a lamp which is kept in nirvata, where there is no wind. Vata means wind. Nirvata, nirgataha, vataha, yasmat, deshat, pradeshat, nirvata. Nirvatita dipu. Lamp is kept where there is no wind. If there is no breeze also, sarvatha ne kampu. There won't be like shivering or flickering of the wick. तैसे स्थिर बुद्धि तैसा स्थिर बुद्धि स्वस्वरूपो योग युक्तो like that स्थिर बुद्धि one whose mind is stable where swaswarupi and he is yoga yukta person whose mind is completely established abided in the self. There is no flickering. In the same way, one who has happiness within, one who has understood I am the source of happiness, he will be stable like a lamp which is kept in air free. नास्ति बुद्धिरयुक्तस्य न चायुक्तस्य भावना न चाभावयतः शान्तिः अशान्तस्य कुतः सुखम् नास्ति बुद्धिरयुक्तस्य न चायुक्तस्य भावना न चाभावयतः शान्तिः अशान्तस्य कुतः सुखम् न अस्ति बुद्धिः अयुक्तस्य न च अयुक्तस्य भावना न च अभावयतः शान्तिः अशान्तस्य कुतः सुखम्. Powerful word. अयुक्तस्य बुद्धिः नास्ति. One who is not, one who is uncontrolled. Ayukta, uncontrolled. बुद्धिः नास्ति. There will be no intelligence. And ayuktasya nacha bhavana asti, and he the one who hasn't controlled his sense organ, he doesn't even have the wish to control the sense organ. So desire itself is not. Abhavayata cha shanti hila, and one who doesn't wishes to stabilize his mind in Paramatma, then there won't be peace. Once peace is not there, ashantasya sukham kutah. Where is happiness for a person who doesn't have peace? You see the sequence now. Controlled mind, uncontrolled mind, no intelligence. No desire to control mind, no peace. No peace, no happiness. So this is a nice sequence Bhagavan. ये युक्तीची कडसणी नाही जयाच्या अंतःकरणी तो आकळीला जाण गुणी विषयादिकी ये युक्तीची कडसणी नाही जयाच्या अंतःकरणी तो आकळीला जाण गुणी विषयादिकी. One who doesn't have the thought of controlling sense organ. नाही जयाच्या अंतःकरणी, in whose mind yuktichi kadasani, means he doesn't want to become disciplined, well controlled person. He doesn't want to become. तो आकळीला that person आकळीला will be tied, जाण will be tied or bound by the threads of sense object. विषयादिकी गुणी. So, Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, by these all five threads, that person will be bound. One who doesn't have desire to become controlled person. स्थिर बुद्धी पार्था कही नाही सर्वथा आणि स्थैर्याची आस्था तेही नुपजे. स्थिर बुद्धी पार्था कही नाही सर्वथा आणि स्थैर्याची आस्था तेही नुपजे. स्थिर बुद्धी कही नाही सर्वथा. There is no, steady mind. Never ever. Partha, oh Partha, he doesn't have steady mind, steady understanding. Sthairyachi and he doesn't long for the steadiness of mind in his life. Tehi nupashi. There is no steadiness of mind, but he doesn't want also. He doesn't wish also. He doesn't desire also. Sthairyachi asta tehi nupashi. That is also not there. निश्चळत्वाची भावना जरी नवेची देखे मना तरी शांती केवी अर्जुना आपू होय. निश्चळत्वाची भावना जरी नवेची देखे मना तरी शांती केवी अर्जुना आपू होय. निश्चळत्वाची भावना. देर इज नो फीलिंग ऑफ बीइंग steady at mind level. No feeling. Doesn't want to become steady at mind level. जरी नवेची देखे मना. It doesn't have this feeling. Tare Shanti Kevi Arjuna Apuhoya. Then how he will get peace in his life? Shanti Kevi Apuhoya Arjuna. Oh Arjuna, one doesn't have desire to stabilize his mind, then how he will get peace in life? See, our problem is that we want peace in life, but we don't want to stabilize our mind. Everything should continue and I should get peace. This will never happen. शांतीचा जिवाळा नाही तेथ सुख विसरोनी नरिगे कही जैसा पापियाच्या ठाई मोक्ष नवसे. शांतीचा जिवाळा नाही तेथ सुख विसरोनी नरिगे कही जैसा पापियांच्या ठाई मोक्ष नवसे वसे वसे. Mauli says someone is papi, sinner. He has done lot of sin. तैसा पापियाच्या ठाई मोक्ष नवसे. Just like sinner will never get moksha, mukti. Sinner will never be free from problems. In the same way, if there is no shanti, shantiचा जिवाळा नाही, where there is no shanti, तेथ there सुखरी विसरोणी नरिगे कही. By mistake also, the happiness will not step in where there is no shanti. So if peace is there, happiness will. If controlling of sense organ is there, peace will come. If peace is there, then happiness will be there. If peace is not there, by mistake also, sukh will not enter. Okay. When sukh will enter, if you don't have peace, still sukh will enter. At what condition? As Maharaj says, देखे अग्नि माझी खापती तिये बीजे जरी विरुढती तरी अशांता सुख प्राप्ती घडो शके. देखे अग्नि माझी खापती तिये बीजे जरी विरुढती तरी अशांता सुख प्राप्ती घडो शके. देखे, see, a person who doesn't have peace, he will become happy when this happens. What happened? Bija, when the seeds are put into fire. Agni maji bije ghapati. And to those seeds, ye bije zari virudati. And those seeds, they germinate. We are putting seed into fire. Will it germinate? No, it won't germinate anything. That will just will be burned into that fire. If that happens, means if you put seed into the fire and it germinates, if that happens, then Ashanta Sukha Prapti Ghado Shake. Ashanta person will get Sukha Prapti. The disturbed person will get happy. Without peace, happiness is not possible. That is the point. मनोनी अयुक्तपण मनाचे तेची सर्वस्व जाण दुःखाचे सा तेची सर्वस्व दुःखाचे या कारणे इंद्रियांचे दमन करी म्हणून अयुक्तपण मनाचे तेची सर्वस्व दुःखाचे या कारणे इंद्रियांचे दमन करी therefore this flickeringness of mind is the cause of all sorrows. So this disturbed mind, disturbance at mind level is the cause of all sorrow. Unharmonized state of mind will cause sorrow. Therefore, या कारणे therefore इंद्रियांचे दमन निके करी. Therefore, you do the controlling of the sense organs. One sense organs are quiet, will be quiet. One's mind is quiet, sense organ will be quiet. One piece is there, there will be happiness. So, Bhagavan said, you have to control your sense organ. You should have feeling of controlling them. If that feeling is there, then Shanti is there. Once Shanti is there, then Sukham will be there. आता पुढे मना आता पुढे मना चाली झाली नारायणा चाली झाली नारायणा येथे राहिले राहिले येथे राहिले राहिले कैसे गुंतोनी उगले कैसे गुंतोनी उगले येथे राहिले राहिले भोवते भुवनी भोवते भुवनी आलियाची झाली धनी आलियाची झाली धनी येथे राहिले राहिले येथे राहिले राहिले तुका म्हणे रंगे तुका म्हणे रंगे रंगी रंगले श्री पांडुरंगे रंगी रंगले श्री पांडुरंगे येथे राहिले राहिले येथे राहिले राहिले कैसे गुंतोणी उगले कैसे गुंतोणी उगले येथे राहिले राहिले येथे राहिले राहिले ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम 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 कुंडली गौरदा विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय जगद्गुरु तुकाराम महाराज की सद्गुरुदेव महाराज की जय ओम पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। श्री गुरु नमः। हरि ओम।